What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And it looks like no matter what platform they're going to use to build the new Dakota on, instead of going to Belvedere, I have an idea of what platform the new Ram Dakota is going to be built on, because they're sending it to Toledo Assembly. Interesting. And you know what they build there, right? The Gladiator. Yeah. So are we getting a Ram Dakota built off the Jeep Gladiator platform? Maybe. What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. This is coming in from some of my sources at Stellantis, executives that are putting together the framework at Ram to get Toledo Assembly, which here in the very near future is going to be retooling. I guess it's the Gladiator side, and they're going to move the Gladiator production over to the Wrangler side. So you'll have the Wrangler and the Gladiator going down the same line temporarily. From what the source is telling me is they're going to retool the Gladiator side so that they're able to also build the new Ram Dakota, or Ram, whatever they're going to call the midsize truck. I'm assuming it's going to be called the Dakota. That's what it was called before. They could call it anything. Maybe they call it the Rampage. I don't know, but we'll see. I mean, that's what they call it in South America. We'll see what they call it here in the United States. But yeah, they're basically going to retool that side so that they can have the things that they need to build out those trucks, and then be able to build the Gladiator and the Dakota on the same side. This happens on assembly lines at Stellantis and other places. I know, like, for example, in Canada, they're putting together the Charger and the Chrysler. I keep wanting to call that thing the Voyager, but the Pacifica together off the same line, right? They go right down the same line. But it'd be interesting to see. It might be good for the employees that were just cut, because I know they cut over 1,000 employees at Toledo over, eliminating a shift. So the Dakota coming there could bring back those indefinite layoffs that are there now, or people that haven't already transferred to other positions if they have the seniority to do so. And I know it would make at least that local community around that assembly plant that is supported in that economy by that plant much easier. I think we're going to see a massive influx of jobs into America thanks to some of the conditions that are coming in by the incoming administration for president. So it'll be interesting to see. Let me know what you guys think, though, in the comment section down below. Are you excited to see that their ball is getting rolling and that they are going to build a mid-sized truck for Ram? It's a little exciting for me. I think it's cool. I think that's one of the areas that Ram hasn't really been able to compete in. Toyota has the Tacoma. Chevy has the ZR2 Colorado and just base versions of the Colorado. Ford has the Ranger and even the Maverick beyond that. And Stellantis just has the Ram. That's it. In America, they don't have another option that they're able to sell you. One of the things I am excited for, though, is that if the Dakota is going to be built off of the Gladiator platform, it's going to be way more robust than if they build it off of the Hornet / Alfa Romeo Tonale platform. Nobody's buying that. And one of the things I am extremely happy about is Now that Tim Kuniskis is back as Ram CEO, I don't think we have to worry about him building anything off of the Hornet platform. Just saying. Oh, give the video a big thumbs up if you like what I do. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, stay petty, my friends.